Engineering is more than machines, bridges, and technology. At its core, it is humanity's way of using knowledge, creativity, and logic to solve problems and build a better life. It is both an art and a science, a bridge between imagination and reality. Every time you turn on a light switch, cross a bridge, or even use clean water at home, you are experiencing the results of engineering. But when we look deeper, engineering is not only about human invention. It is about understanding and working with the natural laws that govern the universe. The Quran describes this principle. He created everything and determined it with precise determination. Surah Al-Furqan 25:2. This echoes the essence of engineering. To determine with precision means to measure, calculate, and balance, all of which are at the heart of design. Engineers do not invent the laws of physics or mathematics. They discover and apply the ones already embedded in creation. Consider the construction of a skyscraper. For it to stand tall and safe, engineers must understand forces like gravity, tension, and compression. If even one calculation is off, disaster can strike. Yet the Earth itself is built with flawless precision. The crust beneath us supports mountains, oceans, and cities. The atmosphere is held perfectly in place by gravity, allowing life to breathe and thrive. This natural engineering becomes the model from which human beings learn to build. Water systems give another striking example. Civil engineering has given us dams, canals, and pipelines. But the very cycle of water, the evaporation of the oceans, the condensation into clouds, and the rainfall onto the earth was designed into nature long before humans existed. The Quran states, "And we sent down from the sky pure water." Surah Al-Furqan 25:48. Human engineers only mimic this natural water system when they create purification plants or irrigation systems. Energy is another central challenge of engineering. Engineers are working to design sustainable solutions, from solar panels to wind turbines. Yet, all of these are reflections of natural energy systems already present in creation. The Quran mentions, "And we made a blazing lamp." Surah An-Naba 78:13, referring to the sun. The sun provides more energy in a single hour than humanity consumes in a year. By observing this blazing lamp, engineers have developed technologies to capture sunlight and transform it into electricity. Even the field of aerospace engineering is directly inspired by nature. The Quran describes, "Do they not see the birds above them with wings outspread and sometimes folded in? None holds them aloft except the most merciful." Surah Al-Mulk 67:19. The way birds soar and maneuver through the sky inspired the study of aerodynamics. From this knowledge, humans designed airplanes, helicopters, and even spacecraft. The principles were already there. Humanity only observed and applied them. But engineering is not just about technology. It is about responsibility. A poorly designed dam can flood cities. A flawed chemical plant can poison the environment. A weak bridge can take lives. This is why engineering must be guided by ethics. The Quran emphasizes humanity's role as caretakers. "Indeed, I will place upon the earth a successive authority." Surah Al-Baqarah 2:30. This reminds us that with knowledge comes accountability. Every invention must serve humanity, preserve balance, and avoid corruption. Take, for instance, environmental engineering. Today, the world faces pollution, climate change, and overconsumption of resources. Engineers are tasked with creating technologies that reduce harm and restore balance. This responsibility is already aligned with the Quran's message. "And do not cause corruption upon the earth after its reformation." Surah Al-A'raf 7:56. Ethical engineering is not a modern invention. It is a timeless principle. Think also about biomedical engineering. Artificial limbs, pacemakers, and advanced surgical tools have transformed medicine. Yet, they are only extensions of the perfect biological design already in our bodies. The human heart, with its flawless pumping mechanism, has inspired the design of artificial pumps. The eye, with its lens and retina, has inspired cameras and optical technologies. In Surah Al-Mu'minun 23:14, it is written, "So blessed is Allah, the best of creators." Every human design is simply an imitation of superior natural design. Now consider computer engineering. Every computer chip, every circuit board, every line of code is designed to process information. But the greatest information processor is already inside each of us, the human brain. Trillions of neural connections operate with efficiency that no supercomputer can fully match. By studying the brain, engineers create artificial intelligence. But even the most advanced algorithms are still only shadows of the natural engineering within human biology. Engineering also teaches humility. Humanity has built rockets to the moon, but one natural earthquake can destroy an entire city. This is a reminder that no matter how advanced human engineering becomes, it will always be limited compared to the precision of the universe itself. The Quran states, "The creation of the heavens and the earth is greater than the creation of mankind, but most of the people do not know." Surah Ghafir 40:57. At the same time, engineering is also a sign of human creativity. The Quran highlights this gift in Surah Al-Alaq 96:5. "He taught man that which he knew not." Every breakthrough in engineering, from the wheel to artificial intelligence, is part of this learning process. So, the next time you see a bridge stretching across a river, an airplane cutting across the sky, or a smartphone in your hand, remember, behind every invention is a story of observation, study, and application. And behind all of that is the timeless order built into the universe. Human engineering is not separate from nature. It is a reflection of it. Engineering, therefore, is more than building structures. It is about reading the signs of the world, applying logic, and serving humanity with responsibility. It is about shaping the future while respecting the balance of the present. And when done with wisdom, engineering becomes not just a profession, but a form of stewardship, a way of aligning human progress with the natural laws of the universe.